Showcasing driving pleasure up to the physical limits is the BMW Group's mission with its new high-performance test vehicle, the BMW Vision Driving Experience. This Vision vehicle is not destined for series production, but is instead serving as a rolling test rig for drivetrain and driving dynamics management technology developed specially for the Neue Klasse, the next generation of BMW vehicles, and referred to by BMW as the Heart of Joy. The prototype car put the capabilities of the Heart of Joy to the ultimate test of endurance at the BMW Performance Driving Center in Spartanburg, USA. And the company provided exclusive insights into its development program for the electric driving experience on board the Neue Klasse as part of a preview presentation. Every fully electric Neue Klasse model will benefit from the Heart of Joy. The first taller Neue Klasse electric model will go into series production later this year at Plant Debrecen in Hungary. The new Heart of Joy adds a fourth dimension, BMW's hallmark sheer driving pleasure, to the existing trio of Neue Klasse characteristics: electrical, digital, circular.